102 areas during the day. An ammunition depot of the 110th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukraine. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 78 Ukrainian artillery units of their firing positions, enemy manpower and military equipment in 102 areas during the day. An ammunition depot of the 110th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been hit close to Vozdvizhenka in Donetsk People's Republic. One US-made AN-typic U-50 counter-battery radar station was destroyed near Chasov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic. One MiG-29 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force has been shot down by the Russian fighter aircraft close to the village of Volnyansk in Zaporozhye region in an aerial battle. One Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter has been shot down near the settlement of Novogrodovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Air Defense Forces intercepted 6 HIMARS projectiles and also destroyed 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles close to Nikolskoye, Blagodatnoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Kremenная in Lugansk People's Republic, Berestovoye in Kharkov region, and Chervony Mayak in Kherson region. In total, 399 airplanes, 218 helicopters, 3,366 unmanned aerial vehicles, 410 air defense missile systems, 8,241 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,308 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,816 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. Провів сьогодні кілька нарад щодо наслідків масованого удару по нашій інфраструктурі. Чергове намагання держави-терориста воювати проти цивілізованості призвело до тимчасових відключень електрики, тепла, води у деяких наших регіонах і містах. Російські ракети сьогодні забрали життя 6 українців. Мої
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.